How to fix Google Chrome sync paused error. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome. Click on three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to Settings. Click on Settings. On Settings, you will find Privacy and Security at the left side. Click on it and then scroll down till you find Site Settings. Click on Site Settings and scroll down again. You will find Additional Content Settings. Click on it. After you click on Additional Content Settings, again scroll down. Scroll down till you find On Device Site Data. Click on it. After that, make sure your blue dot is in Allow Sites to save data on your device. After you've done that, simply scroll down again. In Allowed to save data on your device, click on Add. In here, add accounts.google.com and then press on Add. After you've done that, simply close the tab and then again add new tab. Go to Privacy and Security. Make range all time and delete data. Only do this if the first method does not work. And this is how to fix Google Chrome sync paused error. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.